In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to stop calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp. This is crucial for protecting your privacy and security. It helps to avoid potential scams, spam, or unwanted interactions that could disrupt your day. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. On your settings page, select on this option of privacy. You will then tap onto calls. On this option of silence unknown callers, make sure to enable this option. When turned on, if someone isn't saved to your contacts and they try to call you on WhatsApp, that call will be silenced. This allows you to maintain focus and peace of mind by filtering out distractions, ensuring that only trusted contacts can reach you directly. That's how easy it is to silence unknown calls on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.